Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we're having a little trouble with the tongue jack. We need to find out if it's got a blown fuse or a circuit breaker. Let's figure out how to find those things. If we come over here to our power head on our jack, we see this wire bundle coming out of here. So we're going to want to follow the wire bundle, and generally on the wire bundle somewhere near here there's going to be an inline fuse. So we'll go ahead and trace that down, looking all the way under, looking all the way along here. We're going to want to follow this wire bundle back to see where it's connected. Right here, goes up over the top of this junction box, and looks like it connects to this circuit breaker right here. Well, I guess we need to find out if there's power on that circuit breaker. Let me grab a test light. There will be a link in the description below where you can get a test light. I got my little test light right here. This guy needs to go on a ground. Right here we have a negative bus bar, so we'll go ahead and clip onto that. And then I'm going to use this end of the test light. That should light up if I had power, but it's not lighting up. So I'm going to go ahead and check all of these circuit breakers. There's no power there, but interestingly enough, there's not a nut on this stud on this circuit breaker, and I see a loose wire here. So let's go ahead and see what's going on there. Look, if I check the power there, oh, looks like we got power on there for some reason. This has been disconnected. Let's hook that back up. Now I have power on my power jack. I bet it works. I found a nut that'll fit this circuit breaker. I'll put that on, and then we should be good to go. All right, let's check the operation of our tongue jack. Looks like we found the problem. So in some models, they don't have a circuit breaker, so they'll use an inline fuse. Same story. You just want to follow that wire bundle back. Follow it on back to here, and look at there. There's an inline fuse right there. Pop that cover off, and there's your fuse. So if you need to buy a fuse, there will be a link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.